Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Life with Lobisa here, back with another video after so many years. I mean, y'all, it's been hectic. Life has been lifing. So if you're new here, my name is Lobisa Jawo. I'm a South African living in the United States, and I share my live content on this small space of the internet. And make sure that to subscribe, okay? Hit the like button anytime you watch the video, and make sure to comment down below. Don't be a monitoring spirit, because I want to know that you are here. So yeah, I have just came from the store and I wanted to do a little mini haul. I am going to be making jollof rice. Let's see my mother outside. Should I go and say hi? I want to make a jollof rice today. I have onions, but they were not enough, so I got some onions. Got my favorites. I might not eat this. I might not. The kids don't like this one. They have their own stuff that they like. And I got my sister-in-law's craving for pregnancy. This was it. She loved this. She loved. And I got the tomato paste. I got a couple of them, not only two. So, and I got a couple of these. I also told you guys that I wanted to have some inkomasi. My kids ate the sour cream. They love it. So I had to get another one. The reason why I got two is because I think this one is more thicker. It's more on the side of inkomasi, and this one will just help. So I'm gonna use this for my pap and inkomasi. I'm gonna try. I got a couple of these. These are aqua cards, and I love them. They are easy to work with. And definitely had my coffee. Guys, don't sleep on this. I'm gonna show you just now. Where is it? And I also got a couple of those drinks. It was 2 for, I think it's 2 for 5s. But my loves, don't sleep on this. Do not. This is a masterpiece of 7-Eleven cheesecake. This is the softest, mushy. I hope 7-Eleven will pay me for this. It's a mushy cheesecake. I used to love this, you guys. So when I was in my field of nursing, I did home care, and right by the house of that lady there was 7-Eleven, and I found this. Lord behold, I went there every day for this is the most delicious try it, okay? I'm plugging it. Try it, but while you maintain your summer body, try this. Anyway, so today I have nothing much, you guys. I've already told you that I really want my videos to be less than 10 minutes because most of you guys don't watch the videos till the end, and it's a waste of time for me to be editing a long video trying to squish it to be a 20-minute or 15 minutes, and then it's not gonna be watched. Like, it doesn't make sense. But anyway, let's get cooking because I'm gonna make jollof. Ooh, my kids love the jollof, so I'm gonna make the jollof, and then hopefully to end this video, that will be my jollof part. And then like all the videos are gonna be just bit by bit so that you all can be able to watch at least 5 minutes, okay? Make sure you run those ads. Don't skip the ads. Do I have to tell you guys? Don't skip the ads. Do not skip the adverts. When the advert come, go and use the restroom, get some tea to drink, do something, you know. You are helping me and I appreciate that, okay? So let's get into it. My pot is bubbling. So I'm gonna braid my hair. I'm gonna do the cornrows. I did some cornrows before I did my braids and they were really cute. I just get tired of hair real quick, like hairstyles. I really want something like 2 weeks then. And I haven't washed my hair and the lady just texted me that she's coming. Boo. So I think I can keep her to as I'm making the food, and she can eat while I'm washing my hair. Then we can do my hair. I was so close to cutting my hair, and I hate that I feel this way. I was so close to cutting my hair and going short with Cooper color, like bronze kind of. But I need my hair. I need my hair. But anyway, stop rumbling. Let me show you how we are coming through. It's boiling nicely. I had my seasonings in this because I'm very heavy when it comes to seasoning, so the best thing to do is to just measure. So yeah, I did boil the eggs. I boiled them in my kettle, which my husband hates, but he's gonna see this on the video. Oh, sorry honey. They're right in here. So the eggs are ready, just the rice. Then we're gonna be chowing, and we'll close this vlog.